What's going on, guys? I got a little DIY project for you today. So it's getting to be pretty nice. Fuck. What's going on, guys? Got a little DIY project for you today. So it's getting to be pretty nice. I'm going to be swapping over the wheels on my STI since winter's finally kicked it. And I need to detail them. I've been looking at a lot of different wheel detailing stands, stuff like that. And they range, cheap ones from like 140, 145, upwards to 180 to into even like 200. So after doing a little bit of research, I figured I can do a cheaper route and buy something from Harbor Freight, believe it or not, modify it just a little bit, and have a pretty decent, I think, just a turntable, pretty much, for the wheel when you're cleaning. So I picked up this. It is a motorcycle wheel cleaning stand from Harbor Freight. It was $29.99. I already marked on it where it needs to be modified because my wheels, they're 18 by 10. So it's a little bit wide for the base here because, as you can see, it's only, I don't know, 8-9 inches. And my wheels the tires kind of overhang. So what I'm going to do is, I already marked it, I'm going to cut out that much. With that much material taken off, the wheels should rotate without hitting anything whatsoever. So what I'm going to do, you just got to take these pads off. There's a Phillips underneath. So what I am going to do is I'm going to undo the Phillips and I'm going to cut or grind it where that line is on both ends, and then I will report back. I already got these screws out. They're not in that hard, so I can easily undo them by hand. When putting back together, I'm going to see if I have any thread lock or anything like that. I'm not sure if I do, but we'll see. So that comes off very easily. This one, since it's for a motorcycle, it has a little ramp piece. I'm going to keep this mainly because I need it to secure the sides together. What I'll probably do is I'll probably just cut along here, to be exact. I don't know. I might leave it for strength. I really don't know. I have no idea what I'm doing. But yeah, I guess I'll start grinding. I am honestly not sure what the easiest way to do this is. Not this way. Alright, so we're actually going to give the grinder a try, see how this one goes. All right, almost through. Obviously does not look pretty, but I gotta give this Harbor Freight gem a break because this thing, I've had it for probably 8 years. It's starting to get smelly when you overuse it. I am almost through. This is only the first one though, so I'll update you in a second. All right, so as you can see, I got the first one roughed out. I gotta take a little bit more, sorry for the shaky, a little bit more out of there just because But this is the whole purpose. Detailing. Roll the wheel. I'm a Volks. Alright, so it's the next day. I got this completely roughed in. Showed you that in the video. I still have to do this guy. My issue right now, I've had this Drill Master Harbor Freight grinder for probably 8-10 years. I don't think it's supposed to do this. Wait for it. Oh, there it is. I don't think it's supposed to be a smoke machine. I might have an issue. I might have to see like getting another one. Oh, that's that sound. Yep. I think it's done. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright. So you saw this thing killed itself, right? So they didn't have another cheap one. So I upgraded to a Bauer. I don't know. It's Harbor Freight's better name brand. It's like the mid-grade. And it sounds like it has a lot more ass to it. So yeah, I'll finish cutting this. Right now I'm letting the Forester sit. I just put a full can of seafoam to it. So after I'm done doing this, I'm gonna take that thing for a rip and clean it right out. But yeah, let's get to finishing this project before I start doing other random shit. Kind of like when I was doing the Killer Bee hard inlet on the race car. Turns out I need TGV spacers because with the inlet bolted up in place as it should be to the intake manifold, it does not allow the intake manifold to bolt down to the TGVs because it hits directly on the power steering pump. So yeah, there's that. That being said, I broke a few bolts trying to, you know, finesse it into place. So I need to drill and get those out. That project's been put on hold because I need to order said spacers, long hardware, and extra gaskets. So I'm currently ignoring that, doing this stupid project, trying to fix the Forester because the STI also has bald tires. So I need tires for that. So I don't have one good running vehicle, well, one safe vehicle right now. So just kind of winging it. But yeah, finish this project, let you know how this goes. Alright, new tool, worked pretty fucking good. I got the second piece banged out real quick. I smoothed it down and it's obviously not pretty, but does its job, as you can see. Alright, let's put it together and see if it works well with the wheel. Excuse the mess in the background, but as you can see, when detailing, all you have to do is spin it. As you can see, the contact patch does not interfere whatsoever. I consider this a win. Alright, so there you have it, guys. A little bit of elbow grease, cutting. $30 roller. Not bad. Not bad. I'm happy with it. I'm gonna most likely fully clean the wheels tomorrow because I'm gonna be putting new tires on them next week and then they'll be going back on the STI. But yeah, I'll let you know how this cleaning goes with these. I think it was a pretty good project. Start off with a decent idea and snowballed into this, and by doing this I saved quite a bit of money. Down the road I will most likely be adding a backer or something to it, and also have it so I can tilt, so the wheel will be a little bit more stable. But as for right now, just for a simple setup, I think it's pretty good setup for what I hopefully need it to do. But yeah, if you're still watching, thanks for watching, and like, comment, subscribe, check back for more shit.